Imagine hearing metal footsteps behind you, but there's no human there, just a machine, a robot dog trained for war. And the craziest part? This technology already exists. Military forces around the world are now testing AI-powered robotic dogs designed for future combat. And honestly, some of them already look terrifying. These robotic machines were originally built to help soldiers in dangerous environments. But now, they're becoming smarter, faster, and more autonomous. Some can climb stairs, survive rough terrain, carry heavy military equipment, and move through areas too dangerous for humans. And unlike soldiers, they don't get tired, they don't hesitate, and they don't stop. The strange thing about these robot dogs isn't just the technology, it's the way they move. Their balance feels unnatural. Their reactions are almost instant, almost like they are always calculating the next step before it happens. Some military robot dogs can run through mud, snow, rubble, and dark environments while carrying gear across long distances. Others are being tested with thermal cameras, advanced sensors, AI tracking systems, and autonomous navigation. Some models can even continue moving after being kicked or pushed. And that's what makes them feel different. Not like normal machines, but like something that is learning how to exist in the real world. But this is where things start getting serious. Because once machines can move by themselves, the next step is decision-making. Several countries are now investing billions into military AI systems. Not just robot dogs, but also autonomous drones, unmanned tanks, robotic surveillance systems, and future battlefield machines. The goal is simple: reduce human risk during combat. But critics warn that giving machines too much control could become dangerous, especially when AI systems can react faster than humans. And faster reaction time in war changes everything, because even a fraction of a second advantage can decide outcomes on a battlefield. And that raises a serious question. If machines can see, move, and react faster than humans, what role are humans left with? Right now, humans still operate most of these systems, but every year, the technology becomes more advanced, more intelligent, more independent. Some newer systems are already being tested in coordinated groups, where multiple robot units move together like a single network, sharing information instantly, reacting without delay. And when you watch these robot dogs moving in formation, it already feels like the beginning of a completely different era. Because military technology is starting to look less human and more machine. And once machines start working as a connected system, the battlefield stops looking like individual weapons and starts looking like a single intelligent network. The weirdest part? This technology is still evolving, which means the robot dogs being tested today may eventually look primitive compared to what comes next. Because future systems may not just follow commands. They may start predicting situations before humans even give orders. And honestly, that future may arrive faster than anyone expected.